If you are unable to update Windows 11 to version 25H2 and you are receiving error codes such as 0x80240001E, 0x8000FFFF, 0x80240035, or 0x80073712, or you are seeing the message "we could not install this update," then follow the steps shown in this video. I will start with the easiest solutions and then move toward more advanced repair methods. Step 1. Run SFC and DISM commands. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste this command. SFC/scannow. Let it complete. After that, run DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Restart your PC and try updating again. Step 2. Pause and resume updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, then Resume Updates. Retry the update. Step 3. Start and configure required services. Open services from the Windows search. Find App Readiness, Windows Update, and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For each service, double-click Set Startup Type to automatic click Start, click OK, right-click Restart. Retry the update. Step 4. Use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Download from Microsoft's official site, link in description. Run the .exe file, follow prompts, check for updates. Optionally, install PC Health Check to verify compatibility. Step 5. Fix problems using Windows Update tool. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery. Click Fix Problems using Windows Update. This reinstalls your current version while keeping apps, files, and settings intact. Step 6. Use Media Creation Tool, last resort. Download the Media Creation Tool from Microsoft, link in description. Run the tool, accept terms, select ISO file, save to desktop. Once downloaded, double-click the ISO, double-click setup.exe, click Next, keep files and apps, click Install. After installation, your PC will be updated to version 25H2 safely. So these are the methods you can use when Windows 11 version 25H2 is not installing and you're receiving errors such as 0x80240001E, 0x8000FFFF, 0x80240035, or 0x80073712. See you in the next video.
I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5.